Okay, continuing on, as I was saying, definitely got some issues with the beams back to the building. So we're going to need to take a look at that, remove all that rust, make sure there's no more water infiltration that's going to be occurring in the future. All these brackets need a good coat of paint. On this side needs some paint. We definitely have, issues like this where it's railing is separated from this part because of rust. Lots of rust occurring. So I am going to continue down. It pretty much repeats itself for the next 2 levels. So again, I'm going to move down to the bottom level, but a lot of work is going to need to be happening on this system. We need to check all these bolts. Full restoration is going to need to be done. The stringer clips look okay, but again, if we're going to be doing some work on it, let's add some, separate some of these stringer clips and take a good look at what's happening. We want to check some of these connections here. You can see rust occurring. Lots of rust happening. We clean out all that rust, all peeling rust here. Make sure nothing has gone internal. We're going to assume that this railing is rusted. So I will see you at the bottom.